What if the end arrives suddenly, without warning, bringing blinding light that changes everything forever? A flash brighter than the sun erupts, followed by silence terrifying than any human scream. In a single moment, the world you know vanishes as nuclear fire consumes everything instantly. Deep underground, far from view, a command is given, irreversible, initiating catastrophic events instantly. Satellites silently orbit Earth, detecting sudden heat signatures, alerting global systems to an imminent threat. Life continues below in bustling cities, unaware, until warning sirens pierce the atmosphere, shocking civilians instantly. A blinding flash ignites the sky. Shadows distort unnaturally, forcing civilians to scramble desperately for safety immediately. The fireball erupts, shockwave rips through everything. Steel bends, glass shatters, leaving destruction in its wake. Operators recoil in fear, fingers tremble over consoles, tracking missiles that promise global devastation within moments. Missiles rise from silos slowly. Crews monitor every movement. The countdown continues. Tension thickens in the air. Jets scramble into stormy skies. Engines roar. Radar detects approaching threats. Military readiness reaches peak alert. Crowded subway erupts in chaos. Panic spreads. People flee desperately. Sirens echo. Smoke fills the confined underground tunnels. City plunges into darkness as EMP strikes. Vehicles stall. Digital billboards flicker. Disoriented civilians emerge confusedly. Naval fleet mobilizes swiftly. Destroyers launch missiles. Helicopters lift off. Radar tracks targets across vast ocean expanses. Civilians huddle in underground tunnels, whispering prayers, fear palpable, awaiting catastrophic events above with trembling anticipation. Analysts watch missile trajectories, red lines sweep global maps. Urgency peaks as operators relay critical instructions rapidly. Suburban neighborhoods shake violently from distant shockwaves. Terrified people watch as destruction unfolds in seconds. Satellite imagery reveals spreading fireball, extreme thermal heat zones. Alarms trigger worldwide monitoring systems instantaneously. Bridge collapses into river. Vehicles tumble. Fire spreads. Smoke engulfs the area, capturing destruction in horrifying detail. Military command center descends into chaos. Leaders gesture urgently. Phones ring non-stop. Orders relay rapidly worldwide. Aftermath of devastation reveals ruined cityscape, survivors covered in ash, silence broken by wind and distant collapsing structures. But the blast was mercy. What follows is far worse. Radiation invisible, silent, unstoppable, everywhere. It doesn't stop at the city. Fallout spreads across miles, across borders, threatening countless lives silently now. Touching regions untouched before. Villages, rivers, farmland, all succumb to the silent, invisible, radioactive haze. Survival is now a choice. Go below ground, seek thick concrete, distance yourself from outside danger. Every second matters here. Families brace, children clutch parents tightly, underground shelters filled with fear. The world outside is poisoned, air is deadly, Dust spreads. No one survives unprotected. Darkness falls. You wait in silence, in darkness. Hours stretch like forever. Fear grips hearts, shadows consuming every corner. Radiation clouds drift silently over empty cities, leaving ash, destroyed vehicles, and buildings engulfed in smoke. Emergency broadcasts are dead. Silence dominates the streets. Vehicles abandoned, only shadows and destruction remain. Families huddled together, children trembling, prayers whispered in concrete shelters. Fear and tension hang heavy everywhere. Radiation marches silently outside, contaminating rivers, fields, wildlife. Nature itself becomes deadly, poisoned beyond recognition. Survivors wait underground, hearts pounding, enduring invisible storms above. Dust-filled beams of light illuminate anxious faces. Chaos devours cities as fire spreads. Humanity runs desperately, seeking shelter amidst crumbling ruins. The skies rain death silently. Radiation creeps through empty streets as survivors navigate cautiously with masks on. Strength is useless. Preparation and knowledge become the only weapons in a shattered world. War engulfs past and present. Explosions, fire, and devastation show humanity's relentless struggle to survive. Only on The War Unfiltered.